We'll guide you through how to install Paint.net add-ons to enhance your editing capabilities. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Paint.net forums, or a trusted website like the Paint.net plugins page. This is where you'll find a variety of add-ons to choose from. Once you're on the site, browse through the available add-ons, which can include effects, file type plugins, or adjustments. Download the add-on you want, which will typically be in a .zip or .dll format. After downloading, you'll need to extract the files if they are in a .zip format. You can do this by right-clicking the file and selecting Extract All if you're on Windows. Now, open the Paint.net application on your computer. Go to the top menu and click on File, then Open. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the add-on files. You'll need to move these files into the Paint.net effects, or file types folder, depending on the type of add-on. To do this, go to your Paint.net installation directory, usually found in program files on your C drive. Open the Paint.net folder, and then you'll see subfolders named Effects or File Types. Drag and drop the extracted .dll files into the appropriate folder. Once you've done that, you should restart Paint.net to see the changes. The new effects or file types should now be available in the application. If you're ever unsure, check the forum thread or documentation for the add-on, as it usually provides specific installation instructions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.